Do you want to make money without leaving your couch? Imagine unlocking secret income streams with side hustles so quirky you'd never guess they work. From faceless YouTube channels to AI meme factories. In this video, we'll reveal 7 unexpected, off-the-beaten-path AI side hustles that can transform your downtime into dollars. So let's get straight into it. 1. AI prompt consulting. Our first side hustle is AI prompt consulting. You might be surprised to learn that many businesses and content creators struggle with getting the best results out of their AI tools. That's where you come in. Imagine this. You're a specialist who understands how to craft powerful, precise prompts that yield creative and effective outputs from advanced AI models like ChatGPT or DALL-E. By offering your services as an AI prompt consultant, you help others fine-tune their interactions with AI. Whether it's generating engaging social media content, creative story ideas, or even technical content, your tailored prompts can make all the difference. So how do we go about it? First, learn the basics of prompt engineering by experimenting with different AI tools. Secondly, build a portfolio showcasing before and after examples of how your prompts improve AI outputs. Thirdly, advertise your services on freelance platforms and social media channels. Prompt consulting is an emerging niche, and companies are just beginning to realize the importance of a perfectly crafted prompt. By positioning yourself as an expert, you can easily charge premium rates and help your clients get more value from their AI investments. 2. The AI meme factory. Next on our list is what we call the AI meme factory. Memes are the lifeblood of social media, and they're also a surprisingly lucrative business if you know how to leverage them. Using advanced AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo, you can create unique, offbeat memes that capture attention and go viral. What makes this side hustle quirky is the blend of art and humor. You're not just remixing old jokes, you're inventing a new visual language. With social media platforms hungry for fresh content, your AI-generated memes can drive engagement and even earn money through ad revenue or direct licensing deals. This side hustle is perfect if you have a creative flair and love experimenting with digital art. So, how do we go about this? First, experiment with different prompts in an AI image generator to create a library of unique meme templates. Secondly, develop a recognizable style or niche, for example, memes that blend history with surreal humor or tech-based puns. Thirdly, sell exclusive meme rights. License your creations to brands, or even create merchandise based on your most popular memes. 3. AI voiceover impersonator. Voiceovers are essential for everything from advertisements and explainer videos to YouTube intros and podcasts. But what if you could offer something a little different? Custom, quirky voiceovers without having to record a single line yourself. With advanced text-to-speech tools available today, you can generate realistic, character-driven voiceovers that mimic celebrity tones or create entirely unique voices for your clients. The beauty of this side hustle is that you're leveraging technology to save time and add flair to multimedia projects. The question is, what do we need to do to be that AI voiceover impersonator? First, choose a robust AI voice generator that offers multiple voice options and customization features. Second, create a demo reel showcasing a variety of voices and styles. Third, market your services to small businesses, content creators, and advertising agencies who need professional quality voiceovers, but may not have the budget for a recording studio. Position your service as the secret weapon for captivating audio content. With each project, you're not only saving clients time, but you're also offering them a creative twist that sets their content apart from the competition. 4. AI-enhanced digital art flipping. Fourth on our list is AI-enhanced digital art flipping. The world of digital art is booming, and AI is revolutionizing it by enabling anyone to create original pieces with minimal effort. In this side hustle, you generate unique artworks using AI tools and then flip them for a profit.
Digital art flipping is an excellent side hustle if you have an eye for design and a passion for creativity.
As the market for unique, original art continues to grow, your ability to generate and sell quality pieces can quickly turn into a scalable income stream. To kickstart this process, you need first use tools like Leonardo.ai or Midjourney to create a series of digital art pieces with a unique, recognizable style. Second, You need to curate a collection of your best work and list them for sale on online marketplaces such as Etsy, Redbubble, or even specialized NFT platforms. Third and last, you should market your art through social media channels and targeted ads, emphasizing the originality and creative twist of your AI-enhanced creations. 5. AI-enhanced language tutoring. AI is revolutionizing language tutoring services, making them more effective and engaging. Platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone utilize AI to enhance tutoring sessions by providing interactive exercises, real-time feedback, and adaptive learning paths tailored to each student's proficiency level. One of the key benefits of AI in language tutoring is the ability to offer personalized learning experiences. AI algorithms can analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses, adjusting lesson plans accordingly. This individualized approach helps students progress at their own pace, ensuring they grasp concepts thoroughly before moving on. As a result, learners often feel more motivated and confident in their language skills. To effectively market your language tutoring services, leverage social media platforms, and create engaging content that showcases your expertise. Share success stories, language tips, and interactive quizzes to attract potential students. Additionally, consider offering free introductory sessions or workshops to demonstrate the value of your services. By highlighting the unique benefits of AI-enhanced tutoring, you can differentiate yourself in a competitive market and build a loyal client base. 6. At number 6 is Chatbot Personality Designer. Businesses are increasingly relying on chatbots to interact with customers, but a generic, bland tone can really hurt user engagement. This is where you can step in by designing memorable, quirky personalities for chatbots. As a chatbot personality designer, you work with companies to create a unique conversational style that reflects their brand and connects with their audience. You'll combine insights from marketing, psychology, and AI to tailor responses that are not only helpful, but also engaging and fun. To launch this service includes 1. Studying existing chatbot frameworks and understanding what works best for different industries. 2. Experimenting with AI platforms that allow personality customization. 3. Building a portfolio that showcases various chatbot personalities, whether humorous, professional, or even eccentric. Once you've mastered your craft, offer your services to small and medium businesses looking to revamp their customer service approach. With the right strategy, chatbot personality design can add significant value to a brand and become a lucrative side hustle. 7. Interactive AI-generated children's stories. Our final quirky AI side hustle is interactive AI-generated children's stories. The market for children's content is vast, and parents are always on the lookout for engaging, educational, and interactive materials for their kids. With AI, you can create entire storybooks, from plot and characters to illustrations and even simple interactive elements. By combining storytelling, art, and technology, you can produce a product that delights children and parents alike. Not only can this side hustle be deeply rewarding from a creative standpoint, but it can also generate a steady stream of passive income through book sales, app downloads, or ad revenue. To set this side hustle up, you will need to do the following. 1. Use an AI writing tool to generate creative and engaging story ideas tailored to children. 2. Collaborate with AI art generators to produce whimsical illustrations that bring the stories to life. 3. Add interactive elements, like clickable choices or simple augmented reality effects, to create an immersive reading experience. 4. Self-publish your storybooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle or your own website, or even develop them as apps for tablets. There you have it, 7 quirky AI side hustles that unlock hidden income streams and prove that creativity and technology can go hand in hand. Remember, the key to success in any side hustle is to start small, build your portfolio, and continuously refine your process. With the rapid pace of AI innovation, now is the perfect time to explore these unconventional opportunities. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe to AI Tube Tactics, and leave a comment below about which side hustle you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and until next time.